In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden emails on Gmail. Have you ever wondered if there are emails tucked away in your inbox, unseen and unaccounted for? Well, you're not alone. Many Gmail users find it challenging to locate certain emails, especially when Gmail's filters and categories come into play. Let's dive in and demystify the process, ensuring you can easily uncover those elusive messages. To begin, open up your browser and navigate to Gmail's homepage by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left, you'll see various labels and categories such as primary, social, and promotions. These categories often filter emails automatically, sometimes leaving important ones out of sight. Our first step is to use the search bar at the top of your Gmail interface. This is a powerful tool that can help you locate messages hidden in your inbox. Click on it and type in specific keywords that you recall from the emails you're searching for. You can enter a sender's name, a subject line, or anything you remember from the content of the email. Once you've typed in your query, press enter and Gmail will bring up a list of emails that match your search terms. But what if the email still doesn't show up? Gmail has an advanced search option that allows you to be more specific. Click on the small arrow on the right side of the search bar. A new window will appear, giving you detailed options to refine your search. You can specify who the email is from, whom it was sent to, the subject, keywords included, and even the date range. Filling in as much information as you can will increase your chances of successfully locating that hidden email. Another tip is to check your spam and trash folders, as sometimes emails accidentally land there. On the left side menu, scroll down to find the More dropdown. Click it, and you'll see options for spam and trash. Open these folders and look through to see if your missing messages are resting there. Additionally, consider checking the All Mail folder. This folder contains every single email in your account, regardless of its label. You can access all mail from the left side menu as well. This complete overview might just reveal emails you thought were hidden. Lastly, if you have set up filters, review them to ensure emails aren't being automatically archived or deleted. Go to your Gmail settings, click on Filters and Blocked Addresses, and take a look at any rules you might have created. By following these steps, you should be able to dig up any hidden emails in your Gmail account effectively. With a little patience and persistence, no email will remain out of sight, ensuring you never miss an important message again.